Et salut à tous, c'est Kenzo et aujourd'hui on se retrouve pour le 10e épisode du Let's Play sur Red Dead Redemption 2. Bon alors les gars, il faut savoir que il y a pas longtemps j'ai essayé de passer sur un nouveau rythme de 2 vidéos par semaine. Sauf que les gars, les vidéos que j'avais enregistrées pour qu'ils étaient censés sortir soit le mardi soit le mercredi, bah elles me plaisaient pas en fait. Du coup on va repasser à une vidéo par semaine. Et on verra peut-être d'ici mai, je vais essayer de refaire 2 vidéos par semaine. Peut-être que j'aurai le temps de tourner de meilleures vidéos. Parce que là je trouve que les vidéos que j'ai sorties, à part la tier list et les 10 lieux de GTA 5, après les autres vidéos je suis pas trop fier de ce que j'ai fait. Mais bon, là on continue le let's play sur Red Dead Redemption 2. Et on a une mission avec Abigail.
Hosea and John are looking for you. They went out to the moonshine stash, said you knew where that was. They was planning a visit to the Braithwaite place, but John needs to do something for Dutch now, so Hosea wants you to join him instead. Seems to be a lot going on.
You're telling me. Okay, thank you.
Pestering all the damn day?
Oh, I can do a lot worse than that.
Is that a threat? Another great way to a man's affection.
Oh, shut up.
Gladly.
Bon alors Osea et John, John ouais, j'ai dit John, je suis pas fou. Nous cherchent, ok ils sont un peu plus loin sur la sortie du camp, on va aller voir ça de suite. Oh, et ce jeu quand même, putain, mais ces petits bruits là, les animaux, la nature. Vraiment on a l'impression d'y être, hein, je sais. Putain, vivement GTA 6 quoi.
You okay?
Même si les gars, je sais pas si je l'avais déjà dit, mais en termes de musique d'ambiance dans l'open world, je préfère celle de Red Dead Redemption 1. Je sais pas, je trouvais qu'elles avaient une atmosphère plus pesante que celle du 2. Tu vois les petits sifflements là, ou au Mexique, c'était magnifique.
What are you doing?
Selling it back to where it came from.
Why?
I ain't got a market for it. They made it, they must have someone to sell it to. Stuff look kind of lonely out here. I think we'll cut ourselves a deal.
I get you.
You and Dutch was just doing your duty when you requisitioned it. Now I'm doing mine.
All right. I should get going now. I'll leave you fellas to it. Good luck.
Thank you, John. We'll see you later. Dutch asked him to look into something to do with the Braithwaite horses, I think.
Sure, okay.
Okay, let's head out to the Braithwaite's place. You know the way?
Yeah, I've been there. So, what
Et peut-être que les gars, d'ici juin, mai, j'essaierai de passer à 2 vidéos par semaine pour aussi le let's play de Red Dead Redemption 2. J'aimerais que pendant l'été on fasse autre chose que des let's play donc.
Look, these are 2 big old plantation houses. All I keep hearing is they hate each other so much they can't see past it.
I know. I've seen it. There's a gray boy and a Braithwaite girl carrying on a secret affair. I've been, well, helping them.
The mind boggles. You think they're of use?
Not sure. They don't seem too involved in the rest of it, but maybe.
Well, I'm sure there's money in this for us somewhere if we can get in the middle of it. Hello, gentlemen. How are you?
What's that in the back there?
Moonshine, my fine fellow. May I have a word with the man of the house?
The man of the house is a lady, Mrs. Catherine Braithwaite.
May I speak with her? I want to discuss a business opportunity. I mean no harm. No harm at all. You may happily shoot me if I do.
Okay. Well, she's at the house. We'll be watching you.
You heard the man. Driver, proceed, please.
On s'était déjà infiltré ici, j'en souviens. Et c'était plutôt cool, hein. J'avais failli me faire repérer, mais bon.
Found something. Out in the hills. Thought maybe you was in the market for it.
For what?
Some liquor.
I ain't in the market for what's already mine.
The way we see it, it's ours. Well, with us possessing it, and I checked all over. For the life of me, I couldn't see your name on it. Oh. Relax, I ain't here to rob you. Oh, it seems that's easy enough. Why not do a deal? What do you sell that stuff for?
$1 a bottle?
You give us 50 cents.
It's already ours.
Now look on it as a reward for finding the property. Alternative is we go sell it someplace else.
The alternative is you get shot.
Now, who wants to get shot over a bottle or two of liquor?
Pay the man.
Pleasure doing business with you. And listen, we didn't take it. At least not without orders from...
Oh, I know exactly who gave you your orders. Old Sheriff Gray. You know what? I don't want it. In fact, sir, now you can do me a favor. There's an extra $10 if you do. Drive the stuff into Rhodes, head over to the tavern run by Mr. Gray, and give the stuff out for free.
Mama!
Hush now. I believe they call that a promotional expense.
As you wish, madam.
You boys come back sometime and tell me how you made out. Maybe we'll play a little cribbage.
All right. Next up, the Rhodes Saloon.
Ça sent tellement le plan foireux. On va s'afficher dans le saloon de la ville où il y a le shérif Gray, quand même, pour lequel on travaille. Il va...
Oh, not bad at all.
Harold, c'est qu'un petit village, hein, franchement.
Yeah, that don't surprise me.
All right. This could get ugly. You and Dutch already have that thing going on in town with the sheriff.
Yeah, Mr. Gray.
That's it. Now we're inserting ourselves in his blood feud. We'll need something.
I ain't playing Joseph. You know how I feel about that.
Of course you're not. You're a clown's idiot brother.
Hosea, please.
I'm the clown. You're the idiot.
Je sais pas ce que je fais, mais je le fais.
Just look sad and keep quiet. Even you can do that, Arthur.
Oh, I have to.
Put this hat on.
C'est quoi ce chapeau?
Smoke this pipe. Bring your lip forward. Just a bit. Squint. Oh, perfect.
What about you?
Oh, shh. You can't speak. You're turned idiot. Right? Bro, poor mammy's hot. There. Fenton, there. Don't get mad now.
Bien évidemment, je me ramène toujours avec la même putain de chemise bleue. Hein. C'est pas juste un chapeau, une pipe qui va changer quoi que ce soit, à mon avis, Mlo.
Okay, Fenton, stay calm now. For Mama, she loved you so. Just a shame you had to strangle her in a rage, right? Grab 2 cases of that stuff and follow.
Allez, on prend l'alcool.
Gentlemen! Quite the town you have here. We just rode in from up north. Hey. Hello. I'm Melvin. This is my brother Fenton. Don't mind him. Don't madden him. He's turned idiot. Killed our mother, but it weren't his fault. How'd you boys like a couple of bucks? I bet you would. One for each of you. We're in the new trade of advertising, which is an American art form about ensuring people buy the correct things.
I don't know.
$1 more. Says give us half an hour. What harm can we do in half an hour? Go along now. Enjoy the money.
Juste $1 pour ça? Pas mal.
Just hand out the liquor.
Là, on peut dire que c'est $1 symbolique.
Gentlemen! Gentlemen! My name is Melvin. That's my brother Fenton. He's a bit funny, but boy, can he pour drinks fast. For the next 30 minutes, the drinks in this here bar, in this here town, are entirely free. The only rule is that you gotta drink them. So hurry up, put old Fenton to work. Don't get him mad, though. His mama made him mad, and we buried her. Poor thing. Now come up to the bar, everybody. Come on, fellas, it's your lucky day. I'll have one, Fenton.
Allez.
A gift. Bounty. It's a sin to look at. That's some strong stuff. When I see you
Just keep 'em coming.
my eyes. Sin will catch you.
Mr. Gray won't be happy about this.
Another bottle, Fenton. These men are dry. Oh, so drink up.
Where's mine then?
Don't be shy,
You're
boys.
fine man,
Don't be
Fenton.
shy.
Fine man. Don't listen to your brother.
Now's your opportunity.
Over here, Fenton.
Bon, là, ils sont tous bourrés. Magnifique. Oh là là.
Hey, send a couple this way, will ya?
Oh, wife is gonna kill me. The only went out for milk.
I'll have one, Fenton. What have you got against free drinks, boys?
Well, that hit the spot. Keep 'em coming, Fenton.
Just keep 'em coming.
Drink up, drink!
Oh merde. Oh non, encore il faut chier.
Quiet libation.
You,
Me?
you're the bastards who stole the liquor we was gonna buy.
Jump! We're in advertising. Come on in and have a drink.
That's our goddamn liquor.
An honest mistake.
Boys, get him!
Ouais, bah super. Super ça. Je rate toutes mes balles.
Bye, Arthur. Upstairs, hurry!
Allez, on part à l'étage, vite. Putain, mais. C'est bon. Oh putain. Wouh.
Hey, hey, this way!
Wow. Il y en a un autre vite. C'est bon. Allez, on se tire. Putain, mais. Waouh.
Come on, Franklin!
Wouh.
I'm getting us out of here.
Ain't gonna let this go, are they?
Over there!
Oh, he's down.
Heureusement que j'ai les munitions infinies là.
Behind us, Arthur, coming out of the alley. Oh, the moonshine. Good. Keep on him, Arthur. Right ahead of you. Good shot. You fools are playing the wrong game. To your right.
That's him dealt with.
Think you can steal from us?
You're dead men.
I see it.
Made it. In front of you, Arthur.
Ah mais ils sont partout les mecs.
Hold on, Arthur. Who's driving who here? That's it. Yeah. How many are there? They really aren't happy about this.
We run the liquor around here. Stay the hell out of our business.
You see any more of them?
Don't think so. Jesus, all this over a few bottles of booze?
I reckon it's more they don't want another gang on their patch. Yeah.
Okay. Pull off the road here.
All right. We're good.
Yeah. Remind me never to take up a career in, what was it?
Advertise.
Yeah. You think that woman set us up?
No, I don't think so. Maybe. This place is odd.
Well, I keep seeing those fellas.
Some local militia. Clearly not too happy to have some new competition. I'll go visit old Ma Braithwaite. See what's what.
Why?
We've been making money. The chest is filling up again, slowly but surely. Part of me thinks we just get ourselves good and lost. But we still need a lot more money before that can happen. So, for now, let me go give old Mrs. Braithwaite some of this moonshine as, well, let's call it a peace offering.
Sure.
That was fun, Fenton. We'll make an actor of you yet.
I'll go speak to Dutch.
So, what do you think?
About what?
The fine folks around these parts.
Oh, real nice.
Exactly. On the one side, we have got the Gray family. Scots, degenerates, drunkards, the local law. You couldn't make this stuff up. Rich as Croesus. And on the other, their mortal enemies, the Braithwaites. Moonshiners, hypocritical, both rolling, we believe.
In gold.
And in the middle of it all, you got some inbred retelling of Romeo and Juliet.
Exactly.
So what you boys thinking?
We try to rob them both.
You sure?
Why not?
Because we got lawmen in 3 different states after us.
Last thing I want is to get us into trouble, but we need money. Now, we have the opportunity here to put ourselves in the middle of something ain't nobody gonna know we was here. Because even without us, these fools are gonna kill each other anyway.
Okay, well, Hosea's gone back to see that Braithwaite woman.
Good. Hosea should definitely take the lead on this. I sent Sean over to Braithwaite Manor, too. Now, you can meet up with them, or join John and Javier at the Gray's place. Something to do with the Braithwaites' prize horses.
Well, how the hell did we get in at the Gray's place?
Sheriff Gray kindly put in a word with his father. It ain't that complicated. We gotta convince each family that we're on their side, and then we rob them both. Before they figure out it was us that done it, and not the other lot, we'll be long gone. Think of it as payback for my daddy.
Payback. I ain't in the revenge business, Dutch. Least of all for something happened a long time ago.
Well, I guess we all gotta pay for something. Now, if you will excuse me, Arthur, I got to write a letter.
Ah écoute, j'ai fait le plein de munitions. Ah ouais, ok, John il est là-bas. Et Osea il est là. Ok, 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 bon on va commencer par aller voir John. D'ailleurs, ouais, quand j'aurai de l'argent, va falloir absolument que je m'achète un nouveau cheval. Me dire là, on va aller faire un petit tour à l'armurerie de Rod. J'aimerais m'acheter deux petits outils. Ils pourraient être plutôt sympa pour la suite du jeu. Donc je te trouve, je vais acheter encore plus de trucs que ce à quoi je m'attends moi-même, mais bon. Oh, y'a un truc là-bas. Oh, y'a un braquage de train. Attends, je vais pouvoir récupérer les butins. Ok. Bah attends, mais moi je récupère tout derrière. Y'a personne. Non, c'est fermé. Mais y'a rien à prendre ou quoi? Ah si, il y a 2-3 trucs là, tonique à prendre. Voilà. Parfait, on récupère des ressources gratuitement. Puis la garde-robe, oui. Oh oui. Ok, il faut entrer par là, ici. Il y a un truc ou pas? Ah, ouais, une pièce. 25 cents. C'est tout? Putain. Déception. La déception, les gars. On est tellement à trouver plus de trucs. Après, il est petit le train, quoi. Bon, je vais pas me plaindre parce que moi j'ai rien eu à faire. Hein. Il était arrêté. Tout le monde était déjà sorti, il n'y avait plus personne. Ah oui, il y a le receleur, je voulais aussi lui... Je voulais aussi aller le voir, lui. Attends. Il n'y a pas moyen de faire accélérer le temps quand... Et non, normalement, vous pouvez faire accélérer le temps. Attends, je prends déjà le fromage. Ah oui, attendre jusqu'au matin. Lui, il peut nous acheter de la dynamite, on peut lui acheter de la dynamite et tout ce qui est bien, tout ce qui est projectile, c'est par lui qu'on peut se les procurer, donc
Nice to see you again, mister.
acheter. Dynamite. En plus, ça coûte pas cher, dynamite. À 90 cents la dynamite, putain. Le tomahawk, viens, on prend. On peut même avoir des recettes et tout. C'est quoi le passe-partout? Oh, ouah, peut être utilisé pour crocheter discrètement les verrous, mais je le prends tous les jours. On va prendre un peu d'huile pour arme.
I just hope nobody's missing this too much.
Maintenant, je vais vendre. Je vais vendre mes montres goussées en platine, 12 $. Tiens, prends mes boucles d'oreilles. Voilà. Oh ouais, en plus, ouais. Oh, le gros sac en bijoux, je sais plus quand je l'ai eu, mais 50 $. Regarde, et on peut prendre. On va vendre le lingot d'or 300 $. Oh oui. Là, mec, on a bien fait affaire, toi et moi. Mais il y a encore un petit sac de bijoux et un collier à chaîne, ok. Parfait. Et maintenant, on va juste aller. Désolé. Maintenant, on va juste aller s'acheter ce que je voulais à l'armurerie. What the f... Qu'est-ce qu'il fait là, lui?
Why are you dressed up like that? I've seen some sick perversions in my time. This one might take the prize.
No, wait, please. You've gotta help me. It's that crazy gunsmith. He made me dress
Vous pouvez maintenant lancer un cambriolage. Ok, bah attends. On va commencer déjà. C'est que je vais lui faire quelques achats et après je vais le cambrioler, les gars. Accessoires, bien évidemment. Et c'est ça que je veux. Je veux la cartouchière améliorée. Donc là, je vais avoir 50% de en quantité de munitions, tout ce qui est carabine, fusil et fusil à pompe. Et là, ça sera 10% ouais, la détérioration des armes sera réduite de 10% avec ça. Ah, mais il y a aussi ça, c'est vrai, il y a la ceinture. Bah, vas-y, on prend tout. Parfait. Et aussi, je voulais m'acheter une nouvelle arme. Fusil le Carcarno, il est encore trop cher. Ouais, ce que je veux me procurer, moi, c'est le fusil à pompe. Voilà.
Very nice.
Bon, maintenant, je veux savoir la vérité.
I want to see what's in that basement of yours. Show me. Right now.
Nothing to know worse down there, I swear.
Well, why don't I be the judge of that? Open it now.
All right. Ain't got nothing to hide. I got my boy sleeping down there. It's such a shame to wake him. You know, you can always come back after he wakes up.
Ouais, attendez. Allez, avance.
Now what I tell you about talking to your paw that way?
Oh, thank God.
Don't shoot me, please. Just leave us.
Étui d'armes.
You're not gonna help me?
Take anything you want. Just leave us in peace.
C'est quoi ça?
Am I?
Take anything you want. Just don't harm my boy.
Mais c'est une carabine Lancaster? C'est tout? Oh, je suis déçu, les gars. Tout ça pour ça? Pour une carabine Lancaster, quoi. Non, en plus, je voyais le gros et je me suis dit, oh, ça va être un bon truc. Non, je me tape juste une vieille carabine. Non, je suis dégoûté. Oh, je suis dégoûté. Non. Allez. Réglez vos affaires entre vous maintenant. J'ai validé la caisse, hein. Pour récupérer un peu tout ce que je lui ai donné. $50. Parfait les gars, bah voilà. Comment on s'est mis bien là. J'ai réussi à me rembourser $50. Bon, j'ai une carabine Lancaster qui me sert à rien, vraiment, je l'ai déjà. Bon, je comprends pas pourquoi là, avoir mis cette arme. Ils auraient pu mettre, je sais pas, n'importe quelle arme. Bon, s'ils auraient mis le fusil à pompe, là, j'aurais vraiment été dégoûté. Hein. Parce que je l'avais acheté juste avant, mais. Bon, ils auraient pu, je sais pas, ils auraient pu mettre un petit fusil, je sais pas, pour des petits gibiers, enfin. Ouais, je suis un peu déçu là de ce qu'ils ont mis dans cet étui. On verra dans une autre boutique, dans une autre ville. Une fin de cheval.
Help you there? Sure. They're supposed to be my business partners here. They arranged a meeting, I believe, about some horses.
A fellow with a scar and a Mexican
Yes, sir.
out by the stables.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day now.
Good men. Like you.
You don't know me. You turn up in this town, and you're helping everybody. And everywhere.
And have you met my partner, Arthur Morgan?
No?
I met your son, the sheriff.
Okay.
Mr. Gray here was saying how he had problems with a family of degenerates.
Oh, well, nobody likes degenerates.
Hag and her inbred sons. They ruined this county. They killed my uncle, you know.
That ain't right.
Problem is, we can't be seen to get too close.
And?
We've got gold, Yankee. We've got gold.
I ain't no Yankee, friend. I ain't nothing. My daddy came over on the boat from Scotland.
I'm Scottish.
And the Braithwaites?
Goddamn peasants. I don't know. Mongrels. Slave fuckers. All you gotta do is look at them.
How much gold?
Enough. These are prized horses I'm talking about. Them, they'll get you 5,000.
5,000. For horses.
Easy.
And where do we sell them, these $5,000 horses?
Over in Clemens Cove. Fellow over there will run them out of state and give you 50 cents on the dollar.
Mister, you got yourself a deal.
Just keep us away from this. Publicly, I mean.
My sense is we keep all horse wrestling away from the public.
Alors $5,000 quoi. $5,000. C'est énorme. Mais là c'est $5,000 quoi, putain. C'est plus que n'importe quel braquage qu'on a fait là jusque là dans le jeu.
How you doing, boy?
Crazy old fool.
You should see the Braithwaite woman.
Hosea and Sean were planning on going over to the Braithwaites. Haven't seen them?
No, not yet. If they're there already, they better keep their heads down. You don't need this to be any more complicated than it already is.
$5,000 for horses. We've been robbing the wrong folk all these years.
Yeah, he doesn't know what he's talking about. But if we get even a third of that, it'll be worth it.
So how are we gonna play this?
The place is well guarded, so there ain't no point in blasting in there. We'll make them think we're there looking to purchase.
3 armed men?
You'd be armed if you were about to spend 5,000 on horses. We should go in the back way, though. Avoid too many questions. Careful. There's a guard.
I'll speak to him, okay?
Ok.
Alright then.
Le problème c'est qu'ils ont peut-être déjà vu mon visage quand j'y suis allé avec Osea, mais
Yeah,
bon.
we're here to see about some horses.
Horses?
Yeah, we had an appointment with Mr. Braithwaite, I believe.
Yeah, I never heard about any of this.
Our partner wanted to make a significant investment in some stables down here. But perhaps we should look elsewhere.
Well, okay then. Head on up to the stables. Someone will come see you.
Allez, parfait. Ça c'est du bon travail, John.
Behind you.
Go on.
That's it. Nice and easy. No need to rush. Don't want to draw any unnecessary attention.
Yeah.
All right. I think that's the stables just up ahead. Heads down, play cool. Head around the front, hitch up there.
Whoa!
All right, let's hitch up here.
Giddy up! And there's
Catch your breath, boy. Let me do the talking.
Allez, cette fois-ci c'est à mon tour.
Hello there.
Can I help you boys?
I hope so. Heard you got some horses.
We always got horses.
Fine horses, I mean.
I don't get you, friend.
Yeah, you do. Come on.
Listen, why don't you get out of here? You, Scarface, and your greaser buddy.
Whoa!
I don't like officials.
We ain't officials. We're connoisseurs, looking to do some breedings. Come on now, partner.
Okay, fine. Follow me. These here's mainly the studs available for purchase or for working. If that's what you're interested in. What is you boys interested in?
We represent a famous stable and stud farm from Saratoga.
Is that so?
Unofficially.
Of course.
Allez, on l'élimine en silence maintenant. Allez, doucement.
Greaser, huh?
Bon, les gars, je vais juste prendre un truc pour pouvoir restaurer mon noyau de sang-froid. Ouais, ça.
Okay, bandana's on. Don't need nobody recognizing us.
All right, I'll grab the white one in the middle. You get the other two. Relax, boy. Come on.
Good
Calme.
boy.
Whoa.
Easy now.
Whoa. Marshal, you're gonna tether him up to Javier's horse.
Okay.
Javier, you're gonna lead the stallions. Whoa, easy.
Caresse-le vite.
Easy, boy. Good boy. Wait. Marston, you ride point. I'll cover up the back if there's any problem.
What are you doing?
Let's go, quick!
Oh, c'est rien ça.
Go, get out of here. I got the back.
What the hell you doing? Stop! Stop! We're being robbed! I said stop these men! Stop! Look out ahead! They're coming
Waouh.
through the fields!
Oh là, c'est beau.
They're sending out riders. Go, I'll hold them off.
We'll have to go through the fields. There's a gap in the fence. We can get out that way. Let's try to lose them in the trees.
Oh là, j'ai enchaîné headshot sur headshot, c'était magnifique.
Now look out! There's more of them on the road. Goddamn horse!
Ok, parfait.
You see any more of them?
No, don't think so.
All right, let's get these horses to Clemens Cove quick before we run into any more trouble.
Hey there, boy.
Shit!
Eh non!
One of the staff
Putain, je
is loose. Keep going.
reviens.
I'll get 'em.
T'as un pur sang arabe. Ouah, les stats abusées qu'il a. C'est le meilleur cheval du jeu, ça. Tu peux pas le garder pour moi?
Come on now. Let's move.
Il a un espèce de tatouage avec avec écrit l'initiale du nom Braithwaite avec un petit B là. Ah oui, la masse endurance et le santé hein, pour voir qu'il est carnivore. Hein.
You got him. Well done. Clemens Cove is just over there. Come on. Let's get this over with.
Well, that could have gone smoother.
That'll be on my gravestone. You think they look like they're paying $5,000 for horses?
I guess we'll see.
What you boys want?
Heard you pay good prices for horses.
Oh, we'll buy more or less anything, Pop.
That so?
Sure, Pop. I'm Clay Davies. That's my brother Clive. We're twins.
John, Arthur, Javier.
So what are you? Cuban?
No,
I don't like Cubans.
that's so.
Maybe. Why, what do you care? You ain't Cuban.
Maybe I like Cubans.
Ooh, you're funny. He's funny. Ain't he funny, Clive? Clive don't talk. We're twins, but I was born first. He came out all yellow and black, but he's okay. Ah,
Sure.
yeah, I know these horses. They ain't yours, but I like you, and I'd give you 650 for 'em.
Quoi?
I was told we could get up to $5,000 for them.
And I was told the moon was made of ladies' tears. Only it ain't true. Not one little bit.
But
I like you boys, but I ain't got more than 700 on me. You want it, or you want to ride them fellers into town, and maybe someone there'll hang you?
We're gonna need more than that.
I ain't got no more money, Pop. Here, take it or leave it. Uh-huh.
all right.
You goddamn fool, Marston.
Ain't no one round here got $5,000, boys, but nice meeting you. See you boys again, I hope. Come on, yeah. Close the gate, Clive.
Believed a yarn spun us by one of that Gray family, and imagined we was gonna be wonderfully rich. At the end of it, we felt like prize.
Lui, le Grey là qui nous a arnaqué, je vais le retrouver. Mais de suite, les gars. Oh, qu'est-ce qu'il y a encore?
Mr. Morgan, folks is wondering what's happened to you.
Nothing, Miss Grimshaw.
Nothing is right. That's the point. That's the point. Work, Mr. Morgan. Folk need feeding. I never took you for the lazy type.
Je voulais aussi acheter des améliorations pour le camp en fait.
Ah, Herr Morgan.
Allez, on va contribuer, je vais donner, allez. Je vais donner 450 $. Ah, nous c'est précis, hein. Ocean Spray. Après, il y a le bateau du camp, mais vas-y quoi. 450 $. Allez, je le prends. Tout ce que j'ai contribué, c'est parti là-dedans quand même, les gars. Dites-vous bien ça.
Arthur! Arthur!
Arthur?
Morning, Arthur.
If you're not interested, fine. How are you?
Allez là, les Grey ils nous ont arnaqué, bah vas-y, je vais... On va leur rendre la monnaie de leur pièce. Mais moi on m'avait parlé de 5000 $, j'ai que 700 $. Faudrait m'expliquer hein. Après franchement pour des chevaux, ça aurait été beaucoup trop beau pour être vrai hein. Vas-y attends, je nettoie un peu mon cheval. Allez, on est reparti. Bon, faut savoir qu'on a volé des chevaux il y a même pas 15 minutes ici, mais bon.
Hey, fellas. I have a meeting with Mrs. Braithwaite. My associates are already here.
Ah, please come in, sir.
This way, sir. A gentleman to see you, ma'am.
So, your friend, the other liquor vendor. Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Arthur, welcome. We were just playing cribbage. Arthur Morgan, Mrs. Catherine Braithwaite.
Nice to see you again.
Apparently. So this one, he is big and as dumb as he looks?
Well, he's surely big, but his intelligence is a matter of some conjecture. Some say he is as dumb as he looks, but I think, well, he's not quite that dumb.
So these are the boys going to Caliga Hall?
Yes, we can take care of that for you, but one hates to be coarse. There is the question of money.
Oh, we've got money, Mr. Matthews.
Paper, bonds, metal.
She ain't gonna pay you with a certified check, you Yankee numbskull.
Ain't childbirth just the most beautiful miracle? Well, Arthur. Seems a lady can birth monkeys, after all.
Can I drive?
Nope.
Attends, moi je veux pas ce fusil. Hein. J'ai plus mon cheval, bah merci. Je vais devoir jouer avec ses armes, putain. Vous voulez utiliser mon fusil à pompe, moi.
That horse don't listen.
Sometime today would be nice, Morgan.
Bon bah allez. Hein.
I thought you wanted to drive. All right, let's get this over with.
You was quiet in there.
Ils sont pas prêts à de la vengeance qu'ils vont se prendre. Hein. Parce que m'avoir vendu du rêve avec 5000 $.
Okay. So what she got us doing at the Gray's place?
She wants us to torture tobacco fields. Said they ain't had rain in weeks round here.
What?
Yeah, using that back there.
Moonshine?
Burns faster than kerosene, that stuff. Said it'd be fitting, she did. All I'm thinking is how about I try fitting my boot up your hook now, you snotty old bitch.
S'il faut de se dire que cette que cette allée existe vraiment dans la réalité aux États-Unis.
One of these families got gold stashed somewhere, he reckons. I mean, I'm all for sticking it to rich folks. I hate rich folks. There really better be some bloody money at the end of all this.
Hosea knows what he's doing.
Does he though? The master finagler of nothing.
Easy, easy.
So far, we've destroyed the Braithwaite still. Tried to sell the shine back to them. Now we're on this fool's errand, which I'm very much looking forward to, by the way. They was saying old man Gray's double security after that business at the saloon.
You just robbed their horses, too.
That was you? Jesus.
So, we're just gonna drive on in there, is that it?
Don't worry, I got a plan. Wagons go in and out of there all the time with supplies, equipment, payroll. Especially now they've taken on all that.
Il a essayé de gratter un peu, hein. Regardez en coupant.
That's all. Just leave it
Vite
to
fait.
me. I can talk a dog off a meat wagon.
All right, then.
Whoa, hold up a second. Are you not worried about them Greys, English?
Excuse me?
You not worried about them Greys?
In what sense?
Well, they knows you.
Maybe you're right.
Bon allez, je vais me cacher dans le chariot, ce sera...
I'll go hiding back.
C'est plus prudent.
You can act naturally and stop us from getting into a fight before we're ready.
I will try.
Yes. Try and do an impression of a human being.
I'm not going to go that far. We're here.
Ah nice, on va mon fusil et mon chapeau un peu dépassé, mais c'est pas grave.
What you want, boy?
There was a thing at the saloon.
What you talking about?
Well, I'm delivering the supplies.
You're not the usual driver.
You want a bottle, friend? Here. Have a wee drop. I'm new. I mean you no harm. I've come from Donegal, in Ireland.
You don't say.
Yeah. They said you'd understand. Some kind of incident at the saloon in town. I was told to bring this up here. Ask no questions, I'll tell you no lies. Sort of business. Before the officials got there, they said.
Okay.
Ouf, il est juste là.
I'll show you how to get there.
Oh, thank you, friend. Have a drink, Sean.
Hamish.
Good to meet you, Hamish. Fine bit of country you've got here. Not as fine as Connemara, but fine nonetheless.
My people come from Scotland.
Is that right? And you and I are nearly brothers.
Just over here. Yeah, straight down the path here. It's getting so I can barely.
Je sais parce qu'en première personne on peut vraiment regarder et s'immerger. Regarder, je peux mettre sur le côté.
I jumped at the chance. I never been a feller to kick a bit of honest work out of bed. So, you folks been having a hard time of it, have you?
Yeah, Mr. Gray's got a heap of problems right now with another family around here. Bunch of covetous lowdowns trying to sabotage his livelihood. Disgusting.
Oh dear, I'm sorry to hear that, Hamish. Sounds like you definitely deserve that drink.
You don't know the half of it. Just in there.
Right you are.
You can unload it here.
In here? Oh, the horse is like a swift one, do they?
Excuse me?
Nothing. It's grand.
Oh, il m'a pas vu, genre.
Quite a place you boys have got here. Reminds me of one of them big houses out in Donegal. Real fancy places they was, Hamish. Real fancy. Because if some folks got all the money, they can build quite the fanciest places imaginable, eh? Well,
Bon débat A.
till it gets dark.
Waouh, putain, il fait nuit là.
How you getting on?
Good. Nearly got these things ready.
Okay. There's plenty of guards out there. Here's how I feel we should deal with things. You head over to the dry barn.
Sure. And you?
I'm gonna deal with the fields themselves. We coat everything in moonshine, and then we light things up with these little fellers here. Thankfully, it ain't rained, and that old barn over there should go up like a torch.
How many of these boys you think you need?
This should do it. Let's head out the back. Look, once they get wind of us, there'll be no turning back, so move quickly.
Of course. I'm rebel stock, boy. I was born burning down manor houses.
We'll burn quietly.
Allez. Ouais, on va faire ça en mode discret.
Oh, hey. Well, I thought the wagon already arrived.
This one didn't.
Strange. So, what you got there?
Tools, payroll.
Okay. Drop it by the supply shed at the back of the fields.
Sure. See you later.
You hear that? Payroll.
Yeah. Let's get this job done first, okay?
I'll take care of this fella.
La paye, ok, intéressant. Ah ouais, je vois un gros coffre. Hein.
Go on. You douse the fields. I'll meet you at the barn.
Try to stay out of trouble.
Allez, on se cache là.
Should be enough for here. That should do it.
J'adore cette mission, les gars. Mission, discrétion, on sabote tout.
That's good.
J'ai ouah, j'ai chaud. En vrai là j'ai pris masse risque. Mais j'ai gagné du temps. Beaucoup de temps même.
That's good for here. All right, next.
Allez, il reste plus que ce petit champ là. Et là, quand tout va prendre feu, ça va être magnifique. Allez. Occupe-toi-en, Sean. Parfait. On prend les bouteilles incendiaires. Oh!
Look at that! Yeah. Now let's burn those bloody fields to the ground.
You ain't leaving here.
Grab some horses from the stables. Come on.
Not right now. We got company. Look out.
Allez, on brûle tout. Oh là là, les effets sont magnifiques, regardez. Avec le feu et tout, oh là là.
This is a goddamn mess. Oh man, up ahead. There goes out right out of here.
Waouh, oh c'est magnifique.
The wagon we saw come in earlier. We can nick the horses from that.
En personnage il a même chaud limite. Alors, Morgan il a chaud. J'ai vu son noyau, j'ai vu un petit soleil sur le noyau là en bas à gauche. Donc on va faire attention parce que là mon noyau il peut descendre assez rapidement là dans cette putain de situation. Wow, 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 j'ai plus de vie. Non. Bon, on va se faire plaisir, une petite tenue, j'en prends pas souvent.
They didn't tell you there'd be an army of them? They didn't tell
nothing.
Fallait pas m'arnaquer, hein. C'est tout.
Hosea better get us paid real well for this.
La paix. Attends, y'a ça. Y'a la paix, putain. Fouillez coffre, putain, on n'allait pas prendre ça. Ah non mais ok, c'est pas à moi de le faire en fait. J'ai cassé le script, les gars.
Great, but let's go.
Looky here, you get them horses free, Marker. Come on. Come on.
Okay, let's get the hell out of here fast.
You right, follow me. Look out! There's more of them! Whoa! You're done! We're going straight out the front gate! Jesus! That turned into... Right party!
You call that a party?
That Braithwaite had got our money's worth, alright.
Let's just get out of here first.
Allez, on se tire.
I think we lost them.
That we did.
Quite a night.
Sure.
Interesting little fight Dutch has put us into the middle of here.
I hope him and Hosea are right and that there's some money at the end of it.
Well, what now?
Head on back to camp.
You coming?
Je vais pas rentrer au camp de suite.
Right you are, English. Another job well done, I'd say.
En tout cas, la mission était magnifique. Super, j'ai gagné combien? 212 $, parfait. Bon les gars, on va s'arrêter là pour ce 10e épisode du Let's Play sur Red Dead Redemption 2. J'espère qu'il vous aura plu et moi je vous dis à la prochaine.